village.com. I'm here today to show you how to give yourself a successful home perm. I'll actually be doing it on my hair a little bit later. First of all, you're going to want to choose your supplies, and the first thing we're going to talk about today is choosing the proper perm. Unfortunately, you cannot go to a beauty supply store and purchase the perms. They're sold to licensed cosmetologists only. But fortunately, they do sell these perms and a variety of them in your local discount store or drugstore. You're going to want to go to the store and buy a perm that is good for your particular hair. In my case, my hair is kind of dry and thick, so I've chosen moisturizing perm. They have all sorts of perms for gray hair, bleached hair, over processed hair, fine and limp hair. So there's a lot out there. So you just choose the one that's right for your hair. Inside the pack, you're going to find the waving lotion. You will also find the neutralizer. It comes also complete with a plastic bag to cover your curls, and we'll talk about that later as we go along, and some end papers. Very important, how to select your perm. We'll talk about the supplies next.